So since you're new to duck hunting, have you shot your first official limit of coots yet, or?
Well, we limited out my first year last year.
No, coots.
What are coots?
25 birds a day.
Apparently not.
They're,
I don't even know what a coot is. But...
really, those little blackbirds. The little white beak on the front of them.
Oh.
You always see them all wrapped together.
Water chickens.
Little chicken in the marsh.
Oh, huh.
Single left, single left.
Got it. Oh, no. Man, I couldn't turn. Ready? Nice. Got one. Got it. Oh. Right out in front. Get him.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Go get! There's a lot more over there than I thought.
Teal.
Right over the top of us. Don't look up.
Shoot this. I didn't get a shell in my second round.
That was not hit.
Jeez. Sent them all their way. Frickin' jumping and pumping.
Only a hand.
I'm really good at those shots when they just come in and land on the water.
Right in front of you?
Right in front of me. I'm great at those. That's my best shooting right there. Smoke that.
We only had 2 rounds in there. I didn't want that one to die anyways.
That was a stupid duck.
Stupid duck.
Pintail.
Come.
Yep.
Yep. Rob, your left.
Oh, hold on.
Show your first duck.
Got it.
See, look.
I don't know what to tell you with that. That's a weird one. Dude. I've gone through 21 shells.
Holy cow.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
You leave up the gun.
I was telling my dad, I'm like, oh, shit, we might go over it.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like super hot, but we've been shooting pretty consistently.
You guys getting any?
I think we're at 6. We missed a lot of shots this morning.
Yeah, I heard you guys blasting off and doing pretty good.
Yeah. I've got probably about 10 ducks so far.
Small one.
Literally nothing.
Hen green and teal.
So
What are you shooting?
just all my old shit. I fucking stuff
Does he
that I'm
have more
shooting at
shells?
first.
I've only got 3 boxes left.
I haven't heard you call him yet either, have you?
Oh, we've been calling quite a bit.
Yeah, I can't even hear you from over here. Yeah, nothing.
Nothing.
Straight out in front of the snow. Dude, 3 snipe just almost landed right over there. Oh, nice, dude.
What is that, duck?
Snipe. Woodcock.
Robbie just shot him. I know we can see now.
Nice. I think that was you.
I don't know.
No, that was you, dude. You smoked him. He's right piled up in that. Yeah, dude. Here it comes. I think it's going to turn. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, right out in front, right out in front. Hold on, hold on. It's all you, Rob.
Aim it,
Yep.
aim it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
Not dead. How is that not dead?
I don't know.
How?
I don't know.
That's stupid. I'm going home.
Oh, the 4 to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Coming. Take him?
Sure.
One hit.
Yeah, I think I got it on that last shot, barely. What do you mean, one bird? No bird. Oh, left, or right. Sorry. Smoke him. There, you got him. Pintail. Ah. He's down. Next time it comes around.
Wait, don't move. Take it.
Dead. I mean, I'm not as into it as.
Oh, right out in front. Got him. That's Drake Mallard. Chubbler?
And
Oh, yeah, it's a duck. Whew, this duck hunting stuff's a lot of work. We should put that back in my tote before I lose it.
Stop it! Fuck, we haven't got a bonus since Jason.
Oh yeah, well this ain't too bad. Ooh. Hold on. Pintails. They're coming back around. They turned out.
What?
They turned back out around like they were gonna.
You went that way.
Yeah, you gotta sign across the face of it. Oh, Jesus.
Not mine. Like jammed up. God damn it, Wade,
You wanna shoot?
There you go. You missed again, Rob. Jeez.
They were out there. I didn't like those shells. They were unlucky ones. I just got rid of them. Show them how to kill ducks. 25 rounds to one bird.
All right, we got 3 now.
Yeah, no kidding.
So it's about 100.